Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit black character in VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your VN Video Editor app on your mobile phone and we're going to create new project. So we can click on new project here, and since we want to edit a video, we can choose video based. Okay, and you can choose a video you want to edit. For example, I'm going to choose a video from this download album. Okay, I'm going to choose this video. Alright, and to make it darker, we're going to go to the adjustment. Go to folder first and then go to adjust. And here we're going to play around with the exposure, the contrast, the brightness, and also the color. The first one, I'm going to reduce the exposure and the contrast, reduce it a little bit, and I'm going to go to the brightness and we're going to reduce the brightness around 50, and I'm going to go to the HSL and I'm going to reduce the lightness. Okay, for the color, it depends on the color of your video. Okay, this. Alright, and then we're going to click on the check mark. Okay, and it will create something like this, and to make it darker, I'm going to add a back to this video. I'm going to add thunder effect. We can go to the PIUP, select photos or videos, and I'm going to add this effect. Okay, I'm just going to click on fit to fit the screen, and we're going to go to the blending feature, and I'm going to choose lighten. Okay, and you can adjust the effect. Okay, I'm going to place it here. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit black character in a VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!